Hey everybody, welcome back to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie and it's time for my Tuesday 60-second DIY. What's it going to be today? Well, finally it is cold here in Texas and I'm going to use some winter supplies left over from Christmas, all from Dollar Tree. So grab something comfy and warm. I'm having some yummy coffee, and so what do you say? Let's get started. Well, before we start, I have to show you what I am obsessed with lately are these large Ziploc bags from Dollar Tree. You must check them out. They're over in the laundry section. They are the best. So now let's check out our supplies. I'm going to be using some leftover winter and Christmas things. I got all these pieces from Dollar Tree, so let's start the clock. I'm going to be using some black and white paint. I've got this darling little wooden snowman, and I'm just going to give him a once over with some white paint. I painted the sled black and the hat black, just really quickly, a dry brush right over that. And then I painted the scarf kind of a red, and then I added a little gray in there, just really quick. So for the nose, I just cut a piece of twine. I always like to do crazy things with the nose, and I just like that it's sort of neutral color and more rustic looking. And so all I'm going to do now is hot glue our sweet little snowman right on the sleigh because he wants to go for a ride. And then I have those little mittens left over, and I just again brush those with a little bit of black paint, hot glued them on. I have 10 seconds, and I'm just adding in some of the wintry greenery that's left over from Dollar Tree as well. And he's ready to zoom. Yay, he's done. What do you think? I love little winter decor. I love little snowman. And so this was a fun little project to do. And I just love him. And he doesn't even have a mouth, and I think he's darling. I thought, does he need a mouth? Well, I left him like this. I think he's precious. So enjoy making yours today. And I want to thank you for joining me on Tuesday's 60-second DIY. And don't forget to join me on Saturdays is my full DIY episode. So thanks for joining me on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.